Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Skrill to JazzCash. Start by logging into your Skrill account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the withdraw section on your dashboard. Select the bank transfer option, which is where you can add your JazzCash details. Now enter your JazzCash account details including your JazzCash mobile number and any other required information. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Skrill to your JazzCash account. Then review all the details carefully. Then confirm your withdrawal. Skrill will process the transfer and it may take a few hours or up to a day, depending on the method. Keep in mind that Skrill may charge a small fee for withdrawals, and JazzCash may also have its own fee for receiving transfers. And that's it. With Skrill, you can easily withdraw your funds to JazzCash. Thanks for watching.